Okay, I'm going to show you a different sort of tween now. I've just made this shape, just a circle with an arrow drawn in it. I'm just going to select it all and convert it into a graphic. Okay, graphic. Now it's appeared in my library. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to tween this across the stage, and I'm going to add it onto a path so that it follows a route. So we'll just do similar to what we did before. Insert keyframe over there. So we want to tween this from the left side to the right side. I'll go and click in here. We'll add a classic tween. Okay, and then you can see it glides across like that. Okay, so if we want to add this onto a path so that it can move around instead of just going in a straight line, we need to add a classic motion guide. Okay, and it's important that we turn this image into a graphic or a movie clip in the first place as well, to make sure that this process works properly. Okay, so we've got our guide layer that we've just added up here. Excuse me, and what we're going to do is add some kind of wiggly line. So I'm just going to use the pencil tool. I'm going to go and switch that into smooth mode down there, and then I'm going to draw some kind of line, and you see that the shape, the graphic rather, jumped onto that beginning point of the line over here. So what we need to do now is just attach it to the line at the end. You'll see that it'll snap when it's ready onto that line, and as I drag it around, it's trying to stick to that path. Okay, so now if I drag my mouse along playhead along the timeline, then it'll follow it along like that, and that line isn't visible when you export the movie. Okay, just one more thing that we can look at in the properties for the tween. Over here we can orient the shape, the graphic, sorry, to the path, so we can get it to follow it along like that. Other things that we can do here, we can rotate it. Let's turn off orient, and let's make it spin round 3 times. And we can also play about with the easing of the tween. So this changes the speed that the animation starts with or finishes at. Okay, so it's best to demonstrate here. We've got this ease, we've got a curve, and we can change the length of this. So it's going to change the speed throughout here. So let's just put that over there. Just play. Okay, so you can see that it starts off fast here, and then it slows down. There we go, so it's building up some momentum. You can do silly things and make it go backwards. As well. Okay, so we're going to have that about there. so it builds up some momentum. Okay.